Jasper Torres from Lexmark. May I help you?
Hello, good morning. This is Mr. Roda. Can I talk to Mr. Joseph Santos? I have some important thing to tell him.
Sir, may I put you on hold?
Yes.
Just wait for a moment, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes?
Thank you for waiting, sir. I'm sorry to say, but Mr. Santos is not in his office right now. Would you like to leave a message?
No. When is the best time for me to call him back?
I think you can reach him between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. this afternoon.
Okay. I will call him back.
Anything else, sir?
None.
Thank you, Mr. Roda. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
University of San Jose Recoletos, ICC Department. How may I help you?
May I talk to Miss Marjorie Polo?
Sorry, ma'am, but Miss Marjorie Paulo is out of the office right now. May I have your name or number, please?
This is Hazel Inad from Banco de Oro.
Would you like to leave a message?
Just tell her to please call me back if she's in this number, 488-8302.
That's 488-8302. Is my read back correct, ma'am?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you for calling. This is University of San Jose Recoletos Accounting Department. How may I direct your call? This is Karen Cantor from Metrobank. May I talk to Miss Alec Villas, please?
Sorry, Mom, but Miss Villas is unavailable at this moment. But I will expect her to be back at 3 p.m.
Okay, I'll just call back.
Okay, Ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
Hello, this is Benjo, XYZ Department. How may I help you?
May I speak to Mr. Juan de la Cruz, please?
Sorry to inform you, sir, but Mr. De La Cruz is not available at this moment. Would you like to leave a message for him, sir?
Yes, please tell him that we will have a meeting for our college reunion this coming Saturday, 5 p.m. at Crown Regency Hotel, 7th floor conference room.
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I know whom am I speaking with?
I'm Joel Inglaterra, by the way.
Okay, Mr. Latara. Excuse me, sir. Can I have your number in case Mr. De La Cruz would like to have more information about your meeting?
Oh, my number is 0918-623-5440.
Thank you, sir. Is there anything else I can do for you, sir?
None, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you for calling, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for calling HR department. How may I direct your call?
May I speak with Mr. Fuentes, please?
May I know who's calling, please?
This is Ana Montebella of Metrobank.
I'm sorry, may I have your name again?
Ana Montebella.
Metro should hold Miss Montebella so that I can check if he's around.
Alright.
Hello, Mr. Fuentes. We have a phone call online named Ana Montebella of Metrobank. Would you like to take the call, sir? Okay, just a moment, sir. Thank you for holding. I will transfer your call to Mr. Fuentes in Finance Department. He is on the line right now.
Thank you.
Scholarship Center. How may I help you?
May I talk with Ma'am Salva, please?
May I know who is calling, please?
I'm Ryan Tamayo from the Department of CICCT.
May I put you on hold, sir, so that I know if she's around?
Okay, I can wait.
Excuse me, ma'am. Mr. Tamayo of the CICCT department is on the line. Would you like to receive the call? Okay, ma'am. Thank you for waiting, sir. But Mrs. Ann Salvo is unavailable at this moment. Would you like to leave a message?
No, it's okay. I'll call back later. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Sorry, I'm not at the house at this moment. Please leave the message after the beep.
Hi, bro. Can I see you around 8? About 8 in the cafeteria? I have something important to tell you. Please be there ASAP. Bye.